is Caroline and welcome to Khan Academy. And in this video, we'll learn how to find the area of a square, a rectangle, and a triangle. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Khan Academy, and in this video, we will learn how to calculate area. Well, how do we calculate area? Well, there are some special math formulas or equations that we can use to find the area of different shapes. In this video, we are going to learn the formula for squares and rectangles and the formula for triangles. To find the area of any square or rectangle, all we have to do is multiply its two-sided dimensions together. They are usually called length and width. So the formula looks like this. Area equals width times length. So let's see if that formula works for the square. If we multiply the length 2 cm times the width 2 cm, what do we get? Well, area equals 2 cm times 2 cm. 2 times 2 equals 4. But what about centimeter times centimeter? Well, centimeter times centimeter just gives us centimeter squared, where we can just write it like centimeter and use a 2 as an exponent. Centimeter squared is just centimeter times centimeter. So whenever you see units like centimeter squared or inches squared or meters squared or even miles squared, you know it's a measurement of the two-dimension quantity of area. Now that you know how to find the area of any square or rectangle using our formula, we are going to learn the formula for finding the area of any triangle. But to do that, we're going to need to start with the rectangle again. The length of this rectangle is 3 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. Using our formula, we know the area would be 3 centimeters times 4 centimeters, which is 12 centimeters squared. But now, what if you were to cut this rectangle in half along a diagonal line from opposite corners? It forms two triangles. And because each of these triangles is exactly half of the rectangle, that means that the area of both of the triangles must be exactly half the area of the rectangle that we already calculated. And the area of the rectangle is 12 centimeters squared. So the area of this triangle must be 6 centimeters squared, and the other one must be 6 centimeters squared, because 6 centimeters squared plus 6 centimeters squared equals 12 centimeters squared. So the formula for the area of a triangle should just be half the rectangle. So does that mean instead of area equals length times width, it should be area equals 1/2 length times width? Yep, that's basically it. But with one important difference. Instead of L for length and W for width, we are going to use two different names for our triangles dimensions. We're going to call them base and height. Here's why. The names length and width worked okay for this right triangle because a right triangle is exactly half of a rectangle. But those names don't really work for other kinds of triangles like acute triangles or obtuse triangles. So for acute and obtuse triangles, we do something different. First, we choose one of the three sides to be the base. It doesn't really matter which side you choose. Once you decided which side the base is, we're going to imagine setting the triangle down on the ground so that the base is flat on the ground, like this. Next, we will find the highest point of the triangle. which is a vertex that is not touching the ground. The length of the line from the tip of the triangle to the ground is called the height of the triangle. Now that we know the formula on how to find the area of triangles, let's put it to the test. Our diagram shows that the base of this acute triangle is 5 meters and the height is 8 meters. So we plug those values into our formula for area, and we get area equals 1/2 of 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40, and 1/2 of 40 is 20. So the area of this triangle is 20 meters squared. That's going to be the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy, and bye for now.